Hello, beautiful people. So today I will be showing you how to create these two beautiful jars. They're very simple and easy to make. Without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So for this simple project, you will need a jar and air dry clay, any air dry clay. I used cold porcelain clay that I made by myself, but it turned out a little bit too soft for my liking. Anyways, the best way to do this is to use a small amount and place it and shape it directly onto the jar. To shape the leaves and create grooves, you can use X-Acto knife, toothpick, pen, practically anything you have on hand. Later on, you will see that I created some vines, and you just roll a little snake and just put it on top of the jar. As easy as that. And here are the vines. So here I'm making some leaves that I'm plopping onto the lid and creating pretty much the same details as I did previously. So once you're done, just let it dry for 24 hours and then you're going to paint it. I used spray paint, but bear in mind that air dry clay will come off probably because it shrinks. If that does happen, use the glue gun or any other glue that you might have before spray painting. Just put everything back into place. After the spray paint was dry, I added some gold color and distressed it a bit for an aged look. And once you finish coloring, just let it dry for a few hours and you'll be done. So this second project is super easy and very cute. All you need is a jar, acrylic color of your choice, and some baking soda. I might have added a bit too much soda, but it comes down to your personal preference. I wanted more texture, but moderation should be the key. When you have mixed your color, just paint it all over the jar, making sure to use enough color in order to create some texture. Also use different strokes and go different ways. It will look much better. This color is supposed to look like your jar was made of clay, and that's why you need to add a lot of color or just add 2 layers. It is totally up to you. But it will definitely create amazing design on it, and it will look a lot more expensive and a lot more sturdy than it actually is. Here I was trying to also paint the lid, but it did not work out. So what I ended up doing was that I put some clay, air dry clay on top of the lid and created a little bowl that I put on top and little ears, and it ended up looking like a little cat. The extra color, I did not want to waste it and throw it away. I use it for this piece of cardboard paper. Well, actually this is a cardstock, and I will use in one of my other videos one day, real soon. Here I spray painted the lid with gold color and let it dry. So as you already probably know, these are Nutella jars, which I don't like to waste. You are also protecting the nature and creating something very useful for you. So this is what I keep in the jars. Actually, this one is full. The other one you will see soon. Okay, I will tell you it is empty. So I really hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If so, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. XOXO. Bye bye.